The new year 2026 has finally dawned. Time to make vibrant sunlight so for our new year goals. First, I organize my ideas with a simple sketch. Now, I calculate the ratio and estimate the volume. Time to wear the oils. For quality and stability, I use food grade oils. Okay, let's put up the symmetrical cloud sketch. Then mix them together below 30 degrees. Add 10 ml of essential oil and bring it to a white trace level 1. I will set aside 525 grams for the ocean sections. Then I'll use the blender for about 20 more seconds to reach trace 2. Now divide the batter into 9 parts, 5 for the watercolors, 2 for the leaves, and 2 for the cloud. For the water, I create the gradient using neon orange and blue. Instead of finishing the gradient all at once, I keep adjusting the 5 colors so they blend naturally. For the lip colors, I use titanium dioxide. I prepared bright orange and white for ripples. Next, for the cloud shadow, I lower the saturation and create a darker purple. Then transfer all the colors into piping bags. Now let's begin. Cut the tip of each piping bag to about 3 milliliters. I'm going to layer them starting from the dark blue of the bright orange. Please don't forget to keep adding the ripples here and there in the water. Once you reach the cloud position from your sketch, pipe the cloud nice and big. Don't use all of each color at once, save some for the next layer to make the ripples look richer. Remember, the clouds in the ocean are just the shadow, not real cloud, so make sure to add the ripples between them too. Using the center, where the sun will be, as a guide, work in those white ripples. Mainly using horizontal lines, layer the colors one by one to build the gradient. Make the cloud with the more volume. Finishing the ocean part here. Now let's check on the rest so better it reaches trace too. I measure out 9 parts again, 6 for the sky, 1 for the horizon line, and 2 for the clouds. For the sky, I just eyeballed it and divided the remaining barrel into 6 equal parts. Again, it's a gradient from neon orange to blue. If any parts don't blend it well, I'll fix them as I go. Okay, this is very important sky color that marks the boundary between the sea and the sky. I'll use dark red for this. These are the real clouds this time. Let's add some titanium dioxide. Okay, fill each color into piping bag, but for the sky, only start with the first color, orange. Layer the red horizon line as naturally as possible. This time we layer from neon orange to blue, the opposite of the ocean. Now place the sun we prepared earlier right in the center. Build up the cloud nice and plump at the position we sketch. I will just use one piping bag for the sky version. Please keep layering the color in the gradient order and clean up the lines. My soap texture is still soft and runny enough to pour. And there we go, another beautiful landscape soap is finished. Why don't you give it a try too? Thank you for watching. Happy New Year!